what's your advice? You're working in healthcare, as, an IT specialist.
Mhm.
Um, and like we talked about earlier, sometimes, healthcare is notoriously slow to innovate. So
Right.
what are your main pieces of advice if someone were wanting to get started, like a healthcare organization wants to get started with process automation? Like, where do you recommend people start?
Oh, that's an interesting one. So, um, you find people that are interested in moving forward, and you put them together. That's kind of how this happened here at Mary Washington. People who were interested in making Mary Washington Healthcare a better place and innovating solutions to problems, they got together and they said, let's centralize some of these ideas that we hear about often. They're great ideas. We just never had a place to really give them that platform to talk or to really spawn or spin up new tests of change. So really, it's gathering the people that really want the innovation. They want innovation to happen. They want to solve problems to make people's work lives easier and to keep patients safe. Getting those people together, and then going and listening. That's the first step. We go every 2 weeks through our operational rounding program, and our leaders come to the front lines, and they are meeting with the nurses, the providers, the pharmacy staff, anybody that's on the operations side. These senior leaders will come to them and they'll ask, how's it going? What's happening for you? Is there something that you can recommend to improve? And each of those teams will have one item that they want to test a change for 2 weeks, and then leadership comes back to them and they investigate how it went. Did it work? Did it not work? And if it didn't work, we're okay with that because then we learn where we're not going to go. So, getting all of those innovative people together to talk about that, to really escalate and let those ideas bubble up that are working well in our units, and then launching forward as a team and solving problems one at a time. That's really how to get started.